Hello guys and welcome to your fifth tutorial of JavaScript. This is me, your tutor Atul Kumar Singh, and today we are going to learn about functions in JavaScript. So basically functions are the programs which are used to perform any kind of operation. To utilize any function we have to call it. Basically these functions are classified in two types: basic function or ES5 function, or arrow function or ES6 function. Before ES5, we have to write down function before the name of the function in order to declare it. And after ES6 update, we have to only write function name and arrow with and write the function in order to use it. Now let us see both kind of function in the real time. And if we go and open our Visual Studio Code, which is already open, and here we go in the function document, we can see we have an functions.js which we have called in index.html obviously. So here we can see that we have created an array known as cars, in which we have listed some of the car companies, which are basically Audi, Bugatti, Coinsurge, BMW, Mercedes. And here we have created an ES5 syntax function, which is function read cars. Notice that we have written function before the function name in order to declare it. And here we have readed basically traversed through the whole array and have read with every single identity. Okay, so you can see it is a bit complex here, and because of not using map or anything, we have to write a lot of code. But we can see that how we can simplify this again in downward. So after this we have to call the function as we have did it here, read cars, and then we have created an ES6 function basically, which only filters out and give us a new array which is selected car, in which we have filtered return car equals to Bugatti, and we have printed the selected car, and we have called the function again. So let us go and see its live implementation. If we go and open this with live server, we see nothing. But if we go in the inspect and we go in the console, voila, we can see that we have created an array with different car company names, and then we have created an array and printed it on console with Bugatti. So we have learned how to create a new function. Now let us create one more function and show you how we can create the same function which we have created here, that is read cars and read some of the cars. So we can see that if we create something known as load cars, and we use, as we need nothing in the input, we just put an empty uh, inputs field, which we can see after equals to one small brackets, normal brackets, and then we put arrow sign, and we then put curly braces. Now here we have to call the cars, sorry, the cars array, and then we have to put map, or we can use for each. For each is a looping method again, and then we have to put car here, and we can put here something like console.log car. So it should work. We have saved it and we have to load it again, but we see nothing appearing. So let's see what mistake which we have created. Cars for each car, then car equals to console.log car. So it's not reading. So we have to create this thing again. So if we have to see the for each loop for this thing, it might have changed for each loop in JavaScript. So there is something known as W3 School, which is a good platform to read it. And okay, we have not called the function. Sorry, my bad. So we have to call the function again. So if we call load cars and save it, so if we go back again, voila, we can read that we have created an array with something with all the cars printing here. So thank you for tuning in, and that's it for this tutorial. If you have any doubt, you can ping me on Telegram, on WhatsApp, and I'll answer, or sorry, not on WhatsApp, on Discord, and I'll answer the doubts which you have. You can always ping me with the new program, and I can help you out if you have face any kind of difficulty. Next, we are going to learn about DOM, and that will be the end of the front end or the vanilla JavaScript tutorial. And we'll start with the back end, and that is Node.js. So, thank you for this. That's it for this tutorial, and bye.